Hey everybody and welcome. Today's video we're going to be unboxing some PR, a subscription box, and some things that I picked up, as well as some things that you guys sent me. So what is that called? Viewer mail? PO box mail? I don't really know. If you guys have a catchy little thing, leave it down in the comment section down below. You guys, I haven't filmed in like 2.5 weeks, so you guys are, I just don't, I'm not changing the shirt. So you're gonna see this little holiday shirt for like the next probably week of videos. But fortunately, if you guys are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and we always embrace the hot mess over here because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, we unbox, we chat, and we remember we are just here to have fun. It's not that serious. It's just the time to sit back and drink some tea and all of that. So anyways, guys, like I said, we've got some viewer mail as well as a subscription unboxing and some PR that was sent my way. So I thought I'd sit down and we chit chat about it. So let's go ahead and jump on in. First and foremost, I want to thank you guys because it meant the world to me receiving some Christmas cards from you guys for the holidays. Thank you guys so much for thinking of me and my family. It meant the world to me. I have to show you guys, this right here was sent to me from Cassie, and look how cute this is. Do you guys see it? Okay, so first of all, sparkles and glitters. I love it. I've been drinking out of it. It helps me get my water intake in. It says HOTMESSMOMMAMD, judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone. And then we've got little makeup, and then check this out. I love the heart. It's like shifty on the color. So anyways, thank you so much. I was so excited to receive this. It's so cute and it's wonderful. Okay, then I did receive some Christmas cards. I have to show you the one from Melissa because in here, I put it back in here for her, or so I could show you guys, but she had made this right here, this little ornament. Is that not the sweetest? I don't know if you guys can see. It is, it's not called embroidered, right? I don't remember what it's called, but the sweetest, like absolute sweetest. And I just thank you so much, Melissa, for this. I put it right back in the card and boxing it up with my Christmas stuff when I finally get around to doing that. And of course, thank you to Vicky and Cami for your cards. It meant so much to me. Also, DIY Nail Shack. She is really good about sending me these cute little things. I had to show you guys because she had sent these over. They're so flippin' cute. And I want to do like a nail party with my girls. I thought it would be so much fun. So these are some of the other ones that she sent closer. I guess it was like around Thanksgiving going into, and then I've got more holiday ones. But these are like those like press-on type of nails. I need to try them out. Like I said, I thought it would be fun to have like my girls and my mom over and we could just like put these on. I don't know a lot about them, but luckily she gives a little thing to show me how to do it. But if you want to check her out, like I said, make sure to check out her Instagram, Deanna, and it's called the DIY Nail Shack over on Instagram. But she sends me these and they're just so flippin' adorable. Like, how cute are these for the new year? I don't know if my camera will pick them up, but it's a bunch of different ones and they apparently will last a couple weeks. So if you guys know about these nail stick-on things, let me know down below if you guys enjoy them and if you want to check them out. DIY Nail Shack over on Instagram. Thank you, Deanne. I know on my vlog channel I've like shown them over there, but I always forget to show you guys over here as well. Oh, and she sends like, isn't that so cute? Like everything you need. Before I get into some unboxings, the SKINSTORE did send over some like little healthy treats. some like protein options that you guys, if you guys are interested in getting like protein shakes and whatnot, they did send some over for me to try out. Not mad about it because look at this. This is so juicy. It's called My Protein Layered Treat Without the Cheat Chocolate Sundae. You get 20 grams of protein. You guys know I'm using my Peloton almost every day, every other day. So I know as we age, like protein is pretty important. So excited about that. Raw Rev also sent me a box of bars over. Yes, we did get into them, and yes, they were pretty doggone tasty. I'm just gonna tell you guys right now. So thank you. I was quite surprised to see those, but with the new year, I do want to make sure I'm getting enough protein because it's important. The SKINSTORE also sent over some makeup goodies and lotions. This is the ESPA Optimal Skin Pro Moisturizer. So I'm excited about that. This one I'm really excited for. I don't even know how to say this brand. I don't know. But listen to the benefits. It's a specialist skincare for bumpy skin, very dry skin, dehydrated skin, rough skin, and ingrown hairs. Dermatologist approved. It's a body lotion. So I thought, ooh. And then they sent over the Illamasqua. This is a lipstick. It is so flippin' pretty. Check it out. It's like the perfect like nude shade. So I wasn't mad about that. Not mad about that. So thank you to SKINSTORE for sending this over my way and for the goodies and the treats. And then, of course, I did want to show you guys some items I got from Hotmess. They had it's like a sale. I mean, it's already like $1, but I picked a bunch of stuff up. I've been promising you guys their whole foundation and everything. You guys know I love, and I have it on today, their eyebrow pencil. I pair that with my Milk Kush brow gel, but I did pick up some of their highlighters and eyeshadow palettes. So there will be like a Hotmess try on haul coming very soon. You guys, I kid you not, this palette was $1. It's like $1. Like, are you kidding me? Like, are you kidding me? So we're gonna try it all out. We're gonna try it all out. So anyways, let's go ahead and jump into the BellaSkin Box unboxing. I do believe this is the December box. As we know, USPS was backlogged, I would say. So there's a lot of things. Actually, it's January 3rd when I'm filming this video. There are a lot of things I'm still waiting on from December, including gifts. It is what it is. So if you guys are new to BellaSkin Box, this is a monthly skincare subscription. I do believe I may have a coupon code. If I do, I will pop it up for you guys. I'm actually looking for my phone so I can give you guys some more information on BellaSkin Box. Now, like I said, they are a monthly subscription, and if you subscribe today, you will receive up to $150 worth of goodies in your box. It is only $35 a month, and that does include shipping. Shipping is free. So jumping right in, you will receive a little card as far as that goes. This is the December box. On the back it does let you know, so I'm very, very glad that they do that. By the way, they did send this over to me complimentary to review for you guys. The first item I see here is by Daily Concepts. It's a Your Facial Mini Scrubber. So I always like receiving things like this. It does feel like through the package it's really soft. It does have a retail value of $5. Moving on to the next item in here is by Delia Skincare. This is the Balancing Serum. I always love their boxes. Like, how cute are these little boxes? This does have a retail value of $30. It's a natural blend of essential oils. It's the perfect normal, oily, and combination for, wait, let me redo that. It is perfect for normal, oily, and combination skin. It balances the skin's oil production while keeping it hydrated and reducing the appearance of redness, scarring, and inflammation. And this is a full-size product. They have sent this brand in the past, and I actually really do like it. So how cute is that? Like, seriously? I'm a sucker when it comes to packaging. I don't know about you guys, but you give me cute packaging, I'm gonna be really excited about it. So moving on from there, I do see a face serum. It is repurposed coffee extract to hydrate and firm, and it's by Upcircle. Yeah, Upcircle Beauty. It's a serum, retail value $44. I have to smell it. Nice bottle. Again, it's a glass bottle. It says this serum, use it in the morning and at night to help boost collagen, keep the skin firm. It's rich with vitamin C, antioxidants, rich coffee, and rose hip oil, which fades dark spots and brightens the complexion. Let's just try. Let's see. Oh no, it doesn't smell bad at all. It smells natural and clean. I like that. Oh, and that feels really nice. One thing I want to let you guys know that I do like to do is take some of these serums and I'll also put them in my body lotion, rub them together and apply them all over, because why should only my face get vitamin C and antioxidants? You know what I mean? So if you have an abundance of serum or something like that, never be afraid to add them to your oil. Multi-purpose that stuff. Okay, we have another item in here by Upcircle. This is the face moisturizer. It's with fine powder of discarded argan shells. What? That's the nice thing about BellaSkin Box, is it is natural products you are going to find in here. This does have a retail value of, let's see here, moisturizer and the coffee serum. Okay, so these together, it looks like, are $44. And it is a full size. Both of them are full size products. Okay, aesthetically pleasing. Love that. Oh yeah, that smells really nice. Really earthy and natural, but not like earthy, like nice and natural earthy. So again, you could put a couple drops right into here, what have you. So very, very nice. And again, this whole box is $35 for everything you guys see. Next, I see the Radiance Vegan Clean Beauty. What is this? This is an under eye serum and like a rollerball type of doohickey. These are always so pretty. This is by Glamazizers. I don't think I said that right, but judgment free zone. It has a retail value of $22. You apply this on clean skin, roll the serum applicator under the eyes in a sweeping motion, use a gentle pressure and apply to all areas where with concerning puffiness or wrinkles. It can even be used on the eyelids. Wow. Let's see, there's this. It's almost like a nice citrusy scent maybe, but again, you guys can't trust me because I have allergy and sinus issues, so welcome to my world. And then last but not least, in this box we've got two packets. It says it's a hand mask. It says hand mask on here. It says foot mask, but there's two of them for $18. Hydrate and soothe the feet. I'm pretty sure this goes on your hands, but I'm not mad about it. $18 retail value. So that is everything that I wanted to show you guys today. Like I said, I am really excited to be trying out some of these products, do like a little girly nail day and all of that. Thank you again to you guys for sending my family the cards, the ornaments, the adorable not a thermos, what is that even? Tumbler. It's a tumbler. Anyways, like I said, I will be coming back. I will be doing a Hotmessmd haul, try on, all of that for you guys. And thank you again to SKINSTORE for sending this to me, as well as Raw Rev and everybody. So anyways, guys, I hope you decided to stick around. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. Check out my second channel, HotmessMommaVlogs, and of course, HAILEY'S channel. And until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, guys.